One day, when I was a young boy, nearly 4 feet of snow fell from the sky. This is my story. The first flake fell right before recess. It was followed by many, many more. The wind whipped up and school closed early. By the time my sister and I got home, the snow was already over our boots. The snow continued to fall through the night, and I thought it would never stop. Hi, my name is John Rocco, and I'm here to share with you my new book, Blizzard. On Monday, February 6, 1978, New England experienced one of the biggest snowstorms in its history. It snowed for 2 days, and by the time it stopped, parts of Rhode Island, Massachusetts, and Connecticut were buried under 40 inches of snow. Where I grew up in Rhode Island, it took over a week for snowplows to get to our street. This book is based on my experience as a 10-year-old boy in that blizzard and how I got to the store over a mile from my house with tennis rackets tied to my feet.